Hello my artist friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm Victor, and in today's video we are going to make a beautiful geode style painting. So I've made this technique called paint swipes. You need to use, like you see here, a little spatula and some paint. Here is some example that I've made earlier just to have a background and so I don't make any mess for you in the video. So it is not usual, but this time I'm going to use the paint directly from the tube on the little paper. You can use canvas, you can use whatever you have, like a wood board or something that can hold the paint. So for this I'm going to use my favorite combo is the white Payne's gray, raw sienna and some gold. And yeah, so for this I'm going to use, as I said, directly the paint onto my canvas. I'm going to use also a little palette knife to apply my paint, and then I'm going to use a larger spatula. This one came from a little DIY store. So yeah, it is not made for art, but that's what I'm using it for, and it works really well. So now that everything is dry, it takes a little bit longer because you have a thicker coat of acrylic paint. Now I'm going to apply some different glazing of color to accentuate the part that I want to be more darker or lighter, brighter. And yeah, I will try to add a little bit more color to the dark blue. If you want to see the full video with all of my comments and everything to know about what techniques I use to have this type of result, you will need to subscribe to my Patreon page. I will link everything down in the description. So if you are interested, just click down below. So to give a more interesting look to this geode painting, I need to have some shadows and brightness to it. So that's why I'm using some white and some Payne's gray to bring back a more 3D transparent look to the painting. I really like to do this type of techniques. So here I thought it was a little bit too blue, and I've decided to add some gold and raw sienna. This is the complementary color to the blue, so that works really well. And yeah, my painting was a little bit too flat, flat by the colors. And yeah, I really like to use this technique to have also a transparency look to my painting. You will see here with the raw sienna. And I've already applied my 3D gel medium lines. So you will see I will add after that my gold leaves. Here I'm just drawing a little bit more details with my Posca pen. So here you can see the lines that I'm talking about. And I will add my gold leaf glue / gilding paste onto these lines. Here you see it is transparent, so you cannot see really what I'm doing. And then it's time to apply the gold leaves on top on each lines that I've made. I really like this gold. I'm going to, as the previous video, I'm going to link you where I got this gold because I think it is a really pretty gold. And yeah, I've just cleaned everything. I have also applied my varnish, my glossy varnish on top. And since it is on paper, I'm going to cut this paper in a square shape. it is made for a gallery. It will be hang and framed under a glass, so that's why it is on paper. But you can also use a canvas to make these techniques. It works well, but this time I've made it on paper. So I'm going to finish this cutting and I'm going to show you now the full result. And here it is, guys. So yeah, I really like how shiny it is, and since it is a swipe paint techniques, you can no longer see the textured paper or the texture canvas. And yeah, I think it is really turned out gorgeous. So again, thank you to all of my Patreon here who support my channel, who support my art, and I wish you all a great day and see you. Bye guys.